Alright guys, so we just got to Ikea. We are super hungry. We can't start shopping with an empty stomach. So we're about to eat some things.
We're in the cafeterias.
Guys, we're so hungry we don't even know what to say. So listen, we're about to eat before we start our shopping. Okay, so apparently we went to the wrong place.
He was trying to order, like asking the girl, and YG's like, where's meat? Where's meat? I want meat. And she's like, restaurant is over there. So
Yeah, so
what was that? That was just
a small cafe. So we finally found a place and we're going to show you guys. It's so huge.
Nice.
Let's take out our bowl. Can you take one orange juice from me? Spasiba. I see this sweetest.
You want to try?
Yeah, let's try it. What's tiramisu? Oh, they have other stuff here. Yes, sir. Oh, they have the quinoa.
No, I don't know rice.
We got this. We got that.
YG is looking for his meat.
I need to see what other meats available. Give me some roll. Young roll.
Wow.
So that's lamb.
We should try. They even have like soya pepper or something.
Yo, young girl.
Yeah, I like this veggies. Oh my god. What? Wow, look at YG. YG and his protein. Guys, I'm already in the end of the queue. YG stood there asking what kind of meat is available there. Look at him. He already grabbed all the meat parts.
My plate is a lot.
Yeah.
I need some sauce. It looks so dry. You have WeChat. You have WeChat. So we have to scan the code to become a member. If you're a member, you get free coffee. And obviously, Jane loves her coffee, so she needs to get some coffee going on. Okay, guys, so this is what we ordered. I ordered some, I don't know, kebab. What's this? Kebab what? Salmon, some plain rice. I got some, what's this?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower with salmon. I got this, I don't know, they have Swedish flag on it. I don't know what's going on. So Jane, what did you order?
From Sweden.
Oh.
So I ordered the same thing, the cauliflower with salmon, then fresh salmon and cake and coffee. I'm gonna go and take it. So
Okay.
you know how much we paid for all of this? Like meat. I think this is lamb.
Oh yeah, this is lamb.
I got coffee when you got juice and like dessert and the full meal. So we paid 175 RMB. It's kind of like higher than average for two people, but for the number of meats what you got, I think it's okay.
How would you rate it out of 10?
8 out of 10. Salmon is really nice. It's like really Swedish salmon. Tastes really good.
Yeah.
And cauliflower, I just love it. What about this side?
I'll rate this a cool 8.5 out of 10. Wish I could have like some pepper. You know me, if there's no pepper, there's always gonna be a problem.
I think at this point we need to get you some kind of like pendants. Put pepper inside, Ghana pepper inside, so you carry it with you. Because in Russia it was always a problem. I'm excited. It's smoked salmon, I think, and it's Swedish. And I remember that when it was in Finland, I know it's not Sweden, but almost kind of same towards salmon. The girl got a salmon, looked exactly like this with this deal on the side. So I wish I had my lemon. It actually smells like lemon. Oh, there is lemon. Oh my god. Okay. I missed it so much.
Rate out of 10?
10 out of 10. It's
10 out of 10.
Salmon is the best.
Guys, this is Jane's first 10 out of 10. She never rates anything out of 10, bro. This is crazy.
He gets so happy when he's saying 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Guys, 5 minutes before this, I got crazy in KFC because of their systems, online systems, and I just left when you were so upset because.
Yeah, these days, Jane is not having patience at all. We went to KFC and everything is in Chinese and she's upset. I'm like, you need to relax.
I'm upset because of this. I'm upset because like we're hungry people and they ask you to input your phone number, then download the app, then do this. I just want to eat your fries and leave.
This is yang rou. Yang rou
It's lamb.
is lamb in Chinese, okay? So I'm going to try it. I love it and I know it's going to be tender.
I even want to try it.
Oh, it's not hot.
YG's disturbance everywhere with his saggy pants. cameras. Let's see what this boy is going to do. If they're going to allow him to do his misbehavior. I think the girl doesn't understand. Lol. Okay, so there is a microwave actually. It's not fitting because the sticks of this thing are too long. It's not fitting the microwave. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why doing something else? Good job, молодец, great success. It's actually cringe.
A few moments later.
Look at this soya pepper. I hope it's good.
I hope it's good.
The
It
way
looks
you put
very.
it all around.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know because you know me, I'm greedy with pepper and stuff. I think it's.
Let's go.
Yeah, but the pepper doesn't have flavor. I need to bring my Ghana pepper next time I'm going out. Jane. Next time, I need to find a small pack. I'll put it in my bag.
Okay.
Every time I'm going out to eat.
Okay.
Capiche?
Here we go again. The boy is looking for tissues. He's back to serve everybody. I think they are tired of you. Wow, such a gentleman. Thank you so much. 2 minutes before this, YG took a bite of this dessert and he was like, this is nice. What the fuck is this?
Yeah, what's this?
I don't know.
It's
Some
so good.
Some Swedish vibe.
But what's up with the Sweden vibes? I was in Sweden. I didn't have all of these things. I hold my friends accountable. Mika and Rebecca. And then let me try this. This is really good. I don't know what it is. So guys, if you know what this is, please let me know. It tastes. It slaps. It slaps like crazy. It slapped me so hard, my cheeks hurt. Yeah.
Wow. I thought this white thing it was just a piece of pastry, but it's actually cream.
Yeah.
So good. Guys, if you know the name of this dessert, please let us know in the comments.
I should know the
What kind
dessert.
of Swedish dessert is this? Because it's so good. I think it's gonna be 10 times better than my tiramisu.
Yeah, at this point, your tiramisu, we need to take it back to the sender.
They will not like it. You know?
Ashkalababa.
If I didn't try this askelababa, if I didn't try it,
You would have
I would
enjoyed.
say tiramisu is nice. But right now I cannot enjoy tiramisu when this one is here. I just want to eat this one.
Who's that?
I think it's the first time you picked better food than I did.
Oh, yo, relax, man. What's this?
After all this, start going through a whole IKEA. I think the first bed trial is gonna fail already. I'll just fall asleep on the mattress. Lay down. I'll just not be able to continue. I'll take this cake out, but I'll be laying down and eating it. That's all.
Okay, so we're about to start our IKEA trip. Food is done. We are satisfied.
More than satisfied.
Come on, we need to go downstairs, right? Or how? Where's the starting point? Yeah?
Yeah, I think we start here and go down everything, no?
Okay, we need to figure this one out. So let's ask around. Let's ask this guy where do you start from. Hey.
See these lights now? These LED lights, they're everywhere. Everybody's using them. New.
So this is our first.
This
There's a
is
lot of
so
things.
colorful.
Oh, this one is actually cool for us, you know.
Yeah, and the color was comfortable.
Oh.
Yes, and it is dividing the space into
Oh, this
parts.
is great.
How much is it?
So this is, whoa, 6K. What the fuck?
This one, this one.
So the aim is to find a mattress that we can actually sleep on. The mattress that is very, very comfortable. Because guys, the mattress that we have, you already seen it in the previous clips. It's very hard. Oh, like this was cute though. Like, no?
Will not like it. You like it?
That is chilling, bro.
It's so low.
This is perfect. You can literally sleep inside instead of the bed, you know?
Bikini almost.
No.
for me, this one is more comfortable than the other.
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna try? No.
Okay, but I don't know.
Okay, let's move on.
So we want to check out this sofa, but people are taking selfies and chilling. This sofa actually looks good. It's just that it doesn't feel good. But and I didn't even like this armrest.
I don't want arms.
Yeah, guys, it's really hard. And we look. This is just the beginning. Though. We haven't even gone deep inside. We've just been. There are no more sofas. Leather vibes.
Don't feel cozy. Wait, what are we looking for? We came here for sofa, for mattress, and for the chair computer.
Yeah. Oh, I like this one.
Yeah.
But I don't even want to see the price. Okay. What do we think about this sofa?
Found the table. Just want something simple like that for editing, but it's not subtle. What about this one? Wow, it's very uncozy.
Yeah, it doesn't look cozy.
Uncozy.
Yeah.
And I can feel the wood in between the pillows. My ass is not happy.
So we're testing out beds now. We tried sofas, chairs.
I want to kiss you.
Me too.
Grandma is looking at us.
Grandma, close your eyes.
Chinese grandma.
Ah, yeah. Chinese grandma says they're looking at us.
I want to just, be smelling and kissing her. Never.
We are making love in Ikea.
Grandma is
It's
back.
a vibe. Grandma is back. Grandma, sorry.
No, but seriously, how is this mattress? I think it's pretty. Put my foundation on your face so much.
It's this. I can't even kiss Jane or do anything. How do you do testing of mattress? Like
You sleep.
Jump on it or something?
No, you try to lay down on it.
You sure?
Try to lay down and cover yourself and sleep.
Ah, yeah.
Imitate the sleep. How is it?
The bed is comfortable. It's very successful.
Are we going to buy the bed too?
No. Only mattress for tonight. For this time. Because we don't have money. We do only the bed.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
No? We need so many mattresses to test,
We need to check so many mattresses.
Yeah. Make the bed, please. Thank you.
Davai. Let's go. Come on. Spanking. Slaps. Yeah. Sounds good. Good night. Bonne nuit.
The bed?
No.
Just mattress.
Yes, mattress.
Okay, this size?
Yes.
Yes. 150
150
to
by
200.
200.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Here.
I think YG lost the dishes. He lost the card. The plates. The bowls. At first he lost his phone. Now he lost the card. Guys, look at it. So lonely here next to that table that we were for so long time. Wow, everything is here. Let's go.
150 by 200. And the total is here. This one.
Securing our first purchase, our mattress. Thank you so much for sending.
I did just stop the guy. He always doing that. He just stopped the guy, asking him where he got the shorts from, because he wants to also get the shorts.
So guys, this is the total of everything that we got. But we're gonna break it down though. It's not a full thing, but we'll break it down. So we got some plates. We got some plates and some bowls, and we have to wrap them. Jane thinks she knows what she's doing. My bro, gift. Oh, okay.
Just improvise.
Yeah? Yeah, put it on there. Okay. Nice. My bro is professional. My bro is professional. Stop playing with my bro. You think it's a joke? We know what we're doing. Feel me? Yeah, everybody's doing the same. We have our homies out here also doing. Wow, it's like a competition. She's looking at you and she's like, I'm doing it faster than you, babe. Come. Guys, they're having a competition. Jane and the old lady right now. Let's go, Jayo, Jayo. Jayo, Jayo.